Welcome back to Champ's Japanese Kitchen. Today we have a special guest. His name is Chris abroad in Japan.
Good to see you, Oscar.
Oh my God, my back.
It's good to be here. After all this time, I've waited a long time to be here, and can't believe I'm here in the kitchen with a pile of chicken.
Yeah, right. Today we're gonna make what you love. Fami-chiki.
Family Mart chicken.
Yeah, Family Mart chicken.
So recently, I've actually stopped eating Family Mart chicken because I want to get fit, right? But what are you gonna do? What's your recipe, Oscar? What's your technique?
Okay, so today we're gonna make normal fried chicken, and then I'm gonna show you how to make healthier chicken.
Healthy fried chicken? I don't believe it. How's that even possible? All right then.
Okay, so are you ready, Chris?
I am ready.
Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do for your homemade fami-chiki is preparing 2 large chicken thighs with the skin on. Remove any fatty or sinewy parts from the chicken. Then, we want to cut these into quarters.
Tongue size. It's my new unit of measurement.
Or into tongue-sized pieces, I guess. Why don't you give it a try now, Chris? Just remember to be very careful with a very sharp knife.
Oh! God, yeah. It's pretty scary.
It's gonna be a long day. But it's not just normal fami-chiki we'll be making today. For our healthier version, we're also gonna be using some chicken tenders, or you can use chicken breast. But we're gonna cut these into thin strips. Give it a try. Here we go. Great. Oh. Okay, nice.
Better than Gordon Ramsay, isn't it?
Well done on cutting some chicken, Chris. Now with that out of the way, okay, so we're gonna make sauce for chicken.
Cool.
Okay, so I want you to peel off garlic skin and here ginger skin.
It feels a bit overkill. Big knife, small garlic. What could possibly go wrong? All right, so we cut the hard bit off.
Yeah, right.
And then?
Okay, and then peel off by hand, yes. You will need about 1 clove of garlic and the same amount of ginger for this, by the way. Yeah.
Okay.
Please peel off the skin.
Yeah.
Well,
how do you do that? Like that?
No, okay, roughly. Roughly fine, yeah.
That's good. The ginger off.
Maybe not that roughly.
Anything to get my chicken.
Perfect. And then, time to grate that up, Chris.
Good.
Oh, good.
Pretty good. Dare I say it's great.
You're done.
Easy. So to go with our freshly grated garlic and ginger, we have 5 different sauces.
Yeah.
What have we got here? Can you talk us through?
This one is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Soy sauce?
Yeah, and this is 1 tablespoon of mirin.
Mirin.
Sweet cooking sake. And this one is Japanese cooking sake. 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
And 2 teaspoons of sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
And then same amount of vinegar.
Vinegar for a little bit of kick. And that already smells fantastic.
Okay, so mix all together. Good smell.
Oh wow, it's really nice. I could drink that. We don't need to go any further. I'll just drink that and then I'll go home.
Please don't drink the sauce. Now, we're gonna split this up into 2 because we're also gonna make a spicy version of the fami-chiki. And also, I made another half portion of this marinade for the chicken tenders too. So, adjust the quantities when you make at home.
Now for the fun bit, marinating the freshly cut chicken into the sauce.
Mix up.
Right.
Mix well. Right.
Oh man, the sauce is so good. It smells so bloody good.
This is extremely spicy hot chili pepper. We're gonna use 2 teaspoons of them.
Oh, wow.
So,
yeah, it's quite. You can. It hits you in the face. This one. So all of it.
Yeah, all of it.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, look at this.
So
spicy.
Look at that. Looks good though. This is gonna add a nice kick to the chicken.
Yeah. Make sure you give your chicken a good mix when you marinate, so it coats all of it. Okay, so let's soak in the sauce for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes have passed, you will want to add 1 beaten egg into the marinated chicken and mix well. Adding an egg will give you a richer and more savory flavor in the end.
Unless we burn it, it's going to be amazing.
Please don't burn the chicken, Chris.
Okay, next we need to batter the chicken. What do we got here, Yosuke?
Yeah, this one is flour. 3 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of potato starch.
Potato starch.
Yeah, and mix all together.
There goes the flour, and goes the potato starch.
Yep, and mix it, please.
What's this like? The
Chopstick.
Chopstick of giants.
Yeah, chopstick. Great, great.
These are huge. This is comical.
After you've mixed your dry ingredients, then it's time to cover the chicken.
So we have our paintbrush. We're going to now paint a bit of artwork. What's this for?
We're gonna batter the chicken.
We're going to batter the
Yeah.
chicken. We're not going to paint. That's the next episode. So we take this.
Yes. And put in the flour.
We put in the flour.
Yep.
Let some of the sauce drain off. Okay, 1,
Okay.
2, 3,
3.
4, 5.
Oh, nice.
Like so.
And all surface. Yeah.
So every corner of the chicken needs to be covered in flour.
Really push the chicken down into the flour and starch to make sure all of these are covered. And you can brush off any excess.
All right,
All right.
there we go.
Well done. Okay.
Finished battering my fingers. We'll now put them in the oven and have them for dinner.
But before we cook Chris' fingers, let's do our chicken fingers. This time you will need 4 teaspoons of rice flour. Healthier. Or maybe just 3.5.
I don't deserve to be in the kitchen.
This one
I
is
don't deserve to be here, champ.
2 teaspoons of potato starch. Gently. Okay.
Okay, in goes our egg.
Yep. And mix all
Take
together.
2. What's the difference between this and the last one?
This is using a rice flour.
Rice flour.
Yeah. So that's why a little bit light, right?
Yeah.
Not sticky.
It's right. It doesn't really stick, and it's a lot lighter. It's going to be really interesting seeing the difference in flavour.
Rice flour absorbs a little less oil than wheat flour when frying, so give it a try if you like a lighter batter on your fried food. And now it's time to fry.
Yes, the bit we've all been waiting for. Can't wait.
Okay, so put in the oil.
Whoa, what's this? Kwame?
Yeah, this is rice oil.
Rice oil.
Rice oil. But any oil, okay.
And we're doing it until
Yeah, right.
that much.
You can use any oil you want that's suitable for frying, but I find rice oil has a more subtle taste that won't overpower other flavors. We will wait until that oil reaches about 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. But how do we check that?
Oh, wow.
This is my lethal weapon.
Oh. This is
You can
cool.
check the
Wow. So it uses a laser.
laser.
31.
This is not for human. This is for cooking.
71.
1 degrees Celsius.
And rising fast. 76. 78. It's getting closer. Oh my god.
Oh, wait until 160.
I wonder what the temperature of my eyeball is. Don't put that in.
I'm gonna put that in. But if you don't have one of these fancy gadgets, the traditional way to check in Japan is to put wooden chopsticks into the oil. And if they begin to bubble like this, it means you're ready to fry.
It's 160 degrees Celsius.
Okay,
That's how hot it is.
そしたら turn to medium heat. Okay, that's good.
Whoa. Straight away.
あんまり動かさないで. Straight away, yep. Like this.
Wow. This is where the fun begins. Beautiful. I'm excited. I haven't eaten today. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this, genuinely. I can already tell this is going to be better than Family Mart chicken.
After about 3 minutes of cooking, or when the chicken turns a nice golden brown, we want to take that out and let it rest for 3 minutes.
It really does look like Family Mart chicken. Jesus. Fantastic. Wow, that looks good. So they've been standing out for 3 minutes. We're now going to put them in again, and that'll make them extra specially crispy. They already look incredibly crispy. This is going to take it to the next level.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I can do it?
Wow, thank you.
Yeah. Here we go.
What could possibly go wrong? Chopsticks of the gods. All right, ready?
Yeah. Go ahead. 180 degrees Celsius. High temperature. Okay. Okay.
How long?
Wait for 1 minute.
1 minute.
Just 1 minute. The color? What about the biggest one?
Wow, that's really made it a lot more golden.
All right, good. Okay. Look at that! Perfectly delicious golden fried chicken. And so easy to make. Okay.
Wow, that really made them a lot more golden. Before they were a little bit yellow still, now they're perfectly golden, crispy brown. So now Ryosuke is going to stand them up so the oil can drain off into the bottom of the pan. You don't want to have a big mouthful of oil when you bite into the chicken.
Now let's try our healthier chicken, which were smaller pieces, so it'll only take around 2 minutes to cook.
It's almost a different sound because it's sort of less
rice
thick.
flour,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, the rice flour is
Rice
not
flour.
as thick, so it's almost silent compared to the previous chicken.
It sounds more healthier, right?
It does sound of health. It's the it's the sound of health. The sound of lower cholesterol. ASMR chicken. Look at that, beautiful.
The oil?
Crispy goodness.
Golden color.
Standing it upright again, so the oil drips off. Some pieces.
So the healthier chicken is done. Okay, so spicy chicken is ready to cook. Yeah, the biggest one.
We're doing it with fingers in the oil. Here we go.
Gently put in the oil. Okay. I'm not.
Everybody around me just went.
And now, finally, all we have to do is our spicier chicken. But it's the exact same process as before. Fry for 3 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius.
The fear is palpable. And the final piece of the chicken puzzle.
Okay.
Beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. The undertones of chili coming through.
Then wait for 3 minutes to evaporate the moisture.
I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can wait.
3分経ったんで。
Extra crispy shimasho.
Yes, extra crispy. Ooh.
Oil. Is there anything it can't do? You can cook your chicken in it, you can drive your car with it. God bless oil. Cut that out.
No.
Here we go.
And now
Yes.
we've double fried for an extra minute.
1, 2. Oh, it's so crispy looking. Yes.
Looks so crispy.
Is that all the chicken?
Excuse me?
That's everything?
Yeah, that's. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Ryosuke. I'll see you next time on Champ's Japanese Kitchen. Bye!
Hey, Chris! Okay, Chris. So, the fami-chiki is done.
Hey!
Yeah.
The bit we've all been waiting for. This looks so good. So, look at that, glistening, so fresh. Oh,
So let's give it a try.
let's do it.
いただきます.
Itadakimasu. Oh, so bloody good.
So crispy.
It puts Family Mart chicken to shame. It's just so sweet. The chicken's really juicy and fresh, obviously. I mean, we just cooked it, just pulled it out of the deep fat fryer. Oh, everything about it's just so good. Just the different array of flavours. All those different 5 kind of marinades we had earlier on have all just come together to give this just such a delicious, satisfying, juicy flavour. All right, let's try the spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken.
Oh,
Spicy one?
spicy.
All right. You got it.
It's not too spicy. Okay, yeah, it is. It is quite spicy, yeah. There's a nice subtle kick to it. What I like is at the convenience store, when they have a spicy chicken, it's absolutely coated red. It's artificial colouring. We use just the right amount of spice here.
Natural spice.
Natural spiciness. Complements the juicy chicken very well. This is amazing, Yosuke. We haven't even tried the sesame yet.
Healthy.
Healthy,
chicken.
healthy.
Yeah.
You can eat as much as you want, and you won't get fat. Healthy.
This is still juicy. Tastes so good.
Let's see how this compares to the not healthy chicken. I mean, the main difference is you notice it's a lot lighter brown in colour. It's really good. Oh, it's still really juicy and nice. Like at the convenience store, this sort of chicken, the crispier chicken, I typically find the batter to be a bit hard and the chicken quite dry. This is perfect. I still prefer this one though. The spicy one is my favourite.
Right.
Of the three, the spicy one.
But if you want to be healthy, you should definitely make this one.
Absolutely. It won't disappoint, trust me. Yosuke, thank you so much for having me on today. It's been a real pleasure. This has been honestly some of the best chicken I've ever had. Delicious, mouth-watering, juicy, and better, dare I say, than Family Mart chicken. Thanks, man. Loved it.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thanks, man.
Thanks for coming, Chris. And remember, after we eat, we all say, 고소사마데시타!
Hey!
Yeah!
More chicken.
1, 2, 3. Okay, Jack. Left Jack. Now, okay, right straight. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Oh, hey! Hey! With the 4 punches. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. I know.